baby?
I see a raccoon.
You don't see a raccoon? No.
Raccoon. Where are you? A raccoon.
You're so cute.
Raccoon, are you?
What are you going to do with the raccoon if you find it?
No. Raccoon. Raccoon.
Maybe let's just look with your eyes, just in case some of that's poison ivy. I don't think that is right there, but... No, Can you just look with your eyes? No, too late.
Raccoon.
Hope it's not poisonous.
Raccoon. I want and find a raccoon.
You want to go find a raccoon?
Yes, I want.
Alright, go get your bucket. Don't forget your bucket.
Got it.
Got it.
Mama, it's a raccoon.
Let's go look for a raccoon. If we see one, we don't want to go near it. We'll just watch it. We'll just be like detectives.
Raccoon.
Studying. What was that face?